Hello guys, in this video I'm going to upgrade this DELL OptiPlex GX620. I want to upgrade the RAM to 4 GB, hard drive to 500 GB, and the CPU. I have two variants here. One is a Pentium D at 3.4 GHz, that will work for sure. And I would like to try an E4300. It's 1.8 GHz, but is way cooler. It's a better CPU, newer and better CPU actually. This is what I would like to use, but I'm not sure if it will work. And then if not, I will go for this one. So yeah, before starting, I will upgrade the RAM. I have an MS-DOS bootable drive. Not the RAM, the BIOS. What am I saying? With the latest BIOS, A11 I think. The one on this PC is A07, so it's way older. When you upgrade the CPU, you want to have the latest BIOS. So yeah, let's power this on. Pressing F12. USB device. Yeah, I will replace the battery also. So let's see. Okay, good old MS-DOS days are helping me now. This is the BIOS that we want. You can see here the versions. Press any key. Yes. Hopefully it will work. And I would really like to put the more efficient E4300, but I'm not really sure if it will work. There are some reports on internet of people managing to use this. Others say it did not work for them. A11 version. So yeah, I will shut this down. BIOS update worked. And let's start opening it up. Remove everything that has any chance of having power on it. Okay, this I will use to clean the heatsink and CPU and these CPUs when I try them, and an old stock. Let's put this down also. Okay, and let's start taking stuff out. I don't really remember the capacity, but I think it's 80 gigs. Yeah, it's 80 gigs. So 500 will be way better. 1 gig of RAM. It will have 4. DDR2 that is. Okay. The GX620 does not have a fan under the hard drive like the newer ones have, but it still has this big heatsink. The newer ones only have one heat pipe, and even newer ones are aluminum and don't have heatsinks here, so this is still pretty good. And now let me just try and take this out with one hand. If I cannot do it, I will stop the video and continue. Which will most likely happen, because I'm almost never able to do this with one hand. Oh, okay, this is a first. You can see the old compound pretty dried up now. Just be careful not to let any dust on this, as it could actually fall in the CPU socket. Okay, this is pretty bad. Let me just blow on it for a second. Not a great idea, but what can you do? So this is the old CPU. Now I will stop the video, put the rails on the new hard drive and clean the E4300. Hopefully that will work, and clean this also. Everything seems to be ready. Let's replace the battery first, because you don't have access to it with the hard drive on. Okay, this is magnetic quickly. Let's take that out. Put the new battery in. And that's done. Let's put the hard drive in. Yeah, where are you running? That's it. Memory. Not good dropping the memory. Align the notch with the one on the slots. If I could actually put this in, would be awesome. Okay, memory is in. Doing all of this, remember, no power and almost nothing connected in the back. I put some thermal paste in the middle of the CPU, align the notches on the CPU with the ones on the socket, drop in the CPU, and close the latch. That's about it. Now let's put the heatsink. You put in this end first, under the plastic, and then you pull on the plastic and push on the heatsink. Okay, it's in place. And this should be about it. Remember, we have no idea if this will power on with this CPU. It's all about luck. If not, we'll put that one in. Does not seem to be doing anything, so most likely it's not recognizing the CPU. Powered off. Powered on, and nothing. So I will stop the video for a moment until I take everything back out and continue with the other settings of this. So we are in. And our upgrade is from 2.8 GHz to 3.4 GHz. Not as great as I would have wanted with the E4300, which is a more efficient CPU, but this is still way faster than the original. Memory, 4 gigs. And drives, let's see, 500 gigs. So this is a pretty decent PC at this point. Let's just close it up. Not easy to do this when it doesn't want to go in its place. Come on, why are you fighting me? In the end, it all closed up. So this has been the upgrade. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching, and check out my other similar videos. Bye!